Maintaining our road network is one of the most important services Council provides. With over 1,200 kilometres of roads to look after, it's a big job. But how do we fund all this work? Let's break down the budget and see where the money comes from. Our road maintenance and management activities are funded through a combination of rates paid by residents and businesses. These provide a significant portion of the funding needed to provide maintenance works. Grants from federal and state government. This helps us fund critical works to improve road safety and enhance our roads and bridges that we would otherwise be unable to afford.
Council's up against other councils for a small bucket of money. The council's got to come up with half the money and the government will come up with the other half, and we don't have that half to start with.
Special charge schemes. This is where residents help co-fund upgrades to roads. For example, upgrading a gravel road to a sealed road. Council prioritises road infrastructure, renewal and improvement as part of the annual Capital Works program. We continue to advocate strongly to all levels of government for increased funding support to help maintain and improve our large road network. We work closely with the community to ensure our road management aligns with your needs and expectations, and we're using our funding efficiently.
I think our council works very efficiently to get the best bang for our buck. We really work with a lean budget and stretch it as far as we can.
Through initiatives like Council's Road Advisory Group, we gather valuable input to guide our priorities. One way we stretch our funding is by exploring innovative solutions. For example, using different techniques to manage unsealed roads to extend maintenance intervals while maintaining quality. We spoke to Council's Road Advisory Group to find out more about funding challenges in maintaining our road network.
You have to justify grants being spent on repair work as opposed to lucrative, shiny new buildings that other people may have in their grant applications. And depending whether it's state government, federal government, they like to often have something nice that they can show the public of where their money's gone, not a pothole that's being repaired that the citizens actually really need.
To learn more about how we manage our roads or get involved in shaping our priorities, visit our website. Together, we can keep Murrindindi Shire moving.